The same question, like briefly introduce like when that spark of interests in programming and
First
coding.
thing first, like all you know, my name is Amle Hajouji. I started IKS in this year, I think 2 months or 3 months. I started with Code Combat, still using it right now with the teacher. Well, each day we're learning lessons and things. Well, but I did a project. It's in Python. Well, we could say my parents too, they said going to this way, it's a good thing for your future and like for your destiny. And I entered IKS and was with the teacher Hajar. Like I learned from him a lot of things. Without her, I wouldn't do anything and I wouldn't even be in the top 10. I guess. So I would like to present my project. It's in Python. It's a very classic game. It's a text game. Like it's an adventure. Like you're a hero and you in an adventure. So this is my project. Here you can see I coded a little bit.
Oh, perfect.
With some help, of course. As you can see, I coded the game and things. Well, they asking you like choose your next move. Explore the kingdom, attack the gorilla, take a risk, or view health and stamina. Let's do 4. Like that, they showed you your health and your stamina.
Okay.
Let's say attack the gorilla. You try to attack but you're unarmed. The gorilla charges you and the gorilla attack, you know. After, we could say take a risk. Well, we got a weapon to defeat the gorilla. Well, if we go back to the gorilla, here you go, we damaged him. Now we again, as you can see, like we took some damage. Like we could go like 4 and see that it's got like the health now is 45 and 65. In stamina, it's not the same as it was. Okay, we could go explore the kingdom.
Student, thank you so much, Amr, for mashallah, your bright ideas as well, and for your commitment, okay, to your ideas. Thank you so much for sharing the project as well.